Give a push. Okay, slow down, Mama. Baby's out.
Out.
Sometimes when you look for an adventure, you find one. That's exactly what we've done. For close to a decade, we've been taking you on a journey. Thank you so much for coming along with us. Nothing lasts forever, though. The time to make a change has come. Thankfully, just a temporary change. Calypso is safe on the dock for hurricane season. It's time to hop on our motorhome and go searching for more. Plus, it's time to have a baby.
Oh my gosh, he put my window up.
I don't really know where we are. We're gonna make it out of here. I can feel the heat. Thanks for coming back for me.
You can only last so long with your camelback.
Is that even real? It was about a 6-mile off-roading, very bumpy trail, but a lot of fun in the Jeep.
What do you think of that, Reese?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That is crazy.
Let's get out of here.
Redbud was epic.
Redbud!
Have you heard about twiddling your thumbs?
Think we're level?
We lifted the front end right off the ground.
Started to panic. You should probably be in a bikini.
Camp Margaritaville, honey. You know who would love this?
John.
John.
Can't help but admire your butt cooking out there.
Oh, they're gonna like this.
We got stuck. We're gonna be boondocking. That was a grizzly bear.
Some farmers like to eat snipe. It's hard to catch them. You gotta go out at night.
The Lake of the Ozarks, not the Billy.
It's freezing.
West Glacier, Montana.
There's a rattlesnake.
It's your 7 a.m. wake-up call. Oh my god.
We'll rent some four-wheelers.
It only took us 13 years.
Yeah, I love it.
I'm right here. I'm right here. Got it. What did you think of the whole experience?
Oh, it's horrendous and terrifying.
We are motorhoming it again. How's it going, honey?
Hey, you should do the sticker. There it goes.
Hit up breweries, wineries.
I'm so excited. Found your towel. Is moonshine legal? Black raspberry.
We really haven't had you in the videos yet.
Wisconsin Dells. What'd you think? Fun? Oh my gosh, that was awesome.